Good morning, students. We are revising lesson 1. The name of the lesson is My Family and Me. Yesterday we have revised the types of families. There are 3 types of families: nuclear family, joint family and single parent family. We have studied that yesterday. Today we will study about family tree. What is a family tree and what are the generations? First generation, second generation, third generation, and we will do a exercise given on page number 3. Children, our today's topic is family tree, which is given on page 2 of your lesson 1. Family tree. This is Tanya's family tree. The picture is shown in your book, which is, what is this picture? This picture is of Tanya's family tree. It shows the relationships. Underline the word relationships. RELATIONSHIPS, relationship. Relationship means connected. The state of being connected is known as relationship between different members of her paternal family. Paternal, underline the word paternal, PATERNAL. Paternal means through father's side. A family tree always starts with the grandparents. A family tree always starts with the grandparents. They form the first generation. Grandparents always form the first generation. Underline the word generation, GENERATION. What does generation mean? Generation means the people of the same age who are born at the same time period. So generation is a word belonging to a specific class of same aged people. Parents, uncles and aunts. Uncles and aunts include your chacha, bua, chacha, chachi, bua, fufa, or if the family is maternal, then mama, mami, mausi ji, mausa ji, all are called as uncles and aunts. Form the second generation. First generation is grandparents, second generation is parents, uncles and aunts. Children form the third generation and their children. The children of uncle and aunts, parents form the third generation. So in a family there are 3 generations. Number 1 generation is of grandparents, number 2nd generation is of parents, uncles, aunts, and third generation is of their children. So now in the picture what is shown, this picture is of Tanya's paternal family. So picture starts with the photograph of Dada and Dadi ji. Dada ji's name is Harish and Dadi ji's name is Sarla. And Dada ji, Dadi ji are having 3 children. One is Papa, Chacha and Bua. The name of Papa means Tanya's father. The name of Tanya's father is Sagar and the name of Chacha is Mayank and the name of Bua is Krishna. And now Papa got married to Mummy. Mummy means Tanya's mother. Mother name is Sunita. And Chacha got married with Chachi. The name of Chachi is Anita. And now Papa and Mummy means Tanya's parents has 2 children. Bhaiya means Tanya's brother. His name is Sambhav and Tanya herself. Now Chacha and Chachi are also having 2 children, Vishal and Rohini. Vishal and Rohini are the cousins of Tanya. So this is a family tree of Tanya's paternal family. Likewise, you can also draw the family tree of your family, starting with your grandparents. Now on page number 3, there is an exercise. Fun time is given based on this picture. So we will look into this picture and then we will solve the exercise. And you have to find the answers in this picture only. With the help of this picture, you will find the answers. Now children, this is the exercise fun time given on page number 3. Look at Tanya's family tree and take the correct answer. First one is Krishna is Tanya's Bua or Mausi. The correct answer is Bua. Second is Tanya is Sambhav's sister or cousin. Answer is sister. Harish is Rohini's Chacha or Dada. The correct answer is Dada. Harish is Rohini's Dada. Anita is Tanya's Chachi. Dadi is the wrong one. Chachi is the correct answer. Tanya's father is Sagar. The correct answer is Sagar. Mayank is wrong answer. Mayank is Tanya's Chacha. Sarla is Sagar's mother. Mother is the correct answer. Mayank's sister is Krishna. Krishna is the correct answer. Rohini is Mayank's daughter. So Krishna is the correct answer. Eighth one is Mayank is Sagar's brother. Brother is the correct answer. Chacha is the wrong one. So children, your assignment for today is you have to solve the following exercise. It is exercise A given on page number 6. You have done it earlier also and today you have to do it again. Revise this exercise in your revision notebook. Okay, thank you children.